Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back. Long time no see. I know, forgive me once again, but this is how we did today. Performing on the SPY, we took one long position in the AM session, and I actually sat through all of this. I believe my entry was here, and I sat through all of this. And if you're asking me why, the first reason, I was in micros, 5 micros, so half a mini almost. And if you're asking why I was playing micros, I'm kind of in some drawdown on my funded account, and I really need to practice on um, what I like to call drawdown recovery mode, and it's reducing my risk and letting my goods trades take over. And since I was, in less of a risk, I had no problem waiting this out to see if it'll take out all-time highs, and I was confident that it was for a few reasons. My first reason, well, coming into market, I noticed during on the session we had came up and swept these Asia highs back here. Correct, and what did it do? Displaced away from it, right? So it took out this external range liquidity. So I wanted to see it react off the next internal range liquidity. And looking at the 4-hour, we had this huge gap, right? So seeing that, I wanted some more information. I went down the hourly. I noticed we had this hourly for value gap, right? And if you guys are wondering what's this huge candle displacement in the Asia session, that's Nvidia dropped its earnings today, so that's all that good stuff. But yeah, so here's that hourly for value gap, right? So what do we do? Price is coming down in London, right? Came all the way down. Then we get market open, and it hits a consequent encroachment of that hourly fair value gap. So this is where I was looking to see how price would react, and we get this nice displacement candle to the upside, creating this first presented fair value gap, right? And I did enter early off that first presented fair value gap, and I would say I got lucky because even though it did form this SMT in that first presented fair value gap, what did NQ do, right? It made that lower low here, sweeping these AM lows. While ES, what did it do? Made that lower high here, right? So yeah, if let's say we were to take this same play on NQ, probably would have got stopped out there. But I guess there wasn't no first fair value gap that was formed. But I guess this would be the first presented fair value gap. So if you were to play off of that, right, targeting the London highest, that would have been a nice move. But yeah, going back with my analysis here, once I saw price make this bullish SMT there, I held my position, and then price respected that first presented fair value gap with that bullish SMT away from this hourly fair value gap. So now I wanted to see the next external range liquidity get hit. In this case, it was this all-time highs back here, right? And what did price do eventually? Took it out there at 213, right? And I did have a screenshot of my position, so I'll leave that for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna be continuing with my reduction of risk using 5 micros until I recover that drawdown. Then I'll go back to risking my normal amount. But for now, I don't mind as long as I'm right on my analysis on the day. The micros should save me, and I say save me like if I was I was down like 1.5%, but we managed to recover like 550 today, so I'm only down like 800 on the funded account. But yeah, I know my main problem is not winning trades, rather learning how to lose and save my capital for another day. So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. But yeah, thank you guys for watching like always. I'll leave that screenshot for you guys, and see you guys next time. Take care.